Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of content creation. Imagine having your own AI avatar that looks, talks, and acts exactly how you want it to like this.
Hello everyone, I'm your new AI avatar, ready to take your content to the next level. Hey there, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe AppInsight AI. AI avatars are the future of content creation. Are you ready to embrace it?
Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's not anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create captivating AI avatars using some of the coolest free tools out there. We're talking about Leonardo AI, Krea AI, and heygen. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to create your own AI avatar that'll blow your audience away. Let's get started. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's talk about why AI avatars are such a big deal. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone who loves experimenting with tech, AI avatars can completely transform how you connect with your audience. AI avatars are powerful because they offer consistency. Unlike human actors or presenters, they don't get tired, sick, or busy. They're always ready to deliver your message 24/7. Another reason they're amazing is customization. You can design your avatar to look exactly how you want, whether it's a professional host, a friendly influencer, or even a version of yourself. They're also cost-effective. Hiring actors, voiceover artists, or video production teams can be expensive. With AI avatars, you can create professional quality content at a fraction of the cost. And let's not forget global reach. AI avatars can speak multiple languages, making it easy to create content for a global audience. Finally, they're just plain engaging. Let's face it, AI avatars are cool. They grab attention and keep your audience hooked. So, whether you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, or even virtual assistants, AI avatars are the way to go. And today I'm going to show you how to create one for free. Alright, let's talk about the tools we'll be using in this tutorial. Don't worry, they're all free to get started, and I'll walk you through each step. First up, we have Leonardo AI. This is where we'll create the base image for our avatar. Leonardo AI is an AI-powered image generator that lets you create stunning custom images in seconds. Next, we'll use Krea AI. Once we have our avatar image, we'll use Krea AI to enhance it. Krea AI is an AI tool that specializes in refining and improving images, making them look even more professional. Finally, we'll use heygen to bring our avatar to life. Heygen is an incredible platform that lets you create AI avatars that can speak, gesture, and even mimic your expressions. These tools are all beginner-friendly, so even if you've never worked with AI before, you'll be able to follow along. Let's start with Leonardo AI. First things first, we need a stunning avatar image. For this, we're going to use Leonardo.ai. If you haven't heard of it, Leonardo AI is an incredible AI-powered tool that lets you generate high-quality, custom images in seconds. It's perfect for creating unique avatars that stand out. So let's head over to Leonardo AI and click on Launch App. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's super easy to sign up. Just click on Sign Up and follow the steps. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with tons of options. Now, we're going to create our avatar. Click on Image Creation. Here, you can describe the avatar you want. Let's say I want a professional, realistic avatar who can host YouTube videos. I'll type something like a professional 30-year-old man with short, neatly styled hair, wearing a modern blazer and a collared shirt. He has a friendly smile and is standing in a sleek, modern studio with soft lighting, a bookshelf in the background, and a microphone on the desk. The overall vibe is professional yet approachable. You can also customize the style, resolution, and other settings. Once you're happy with your description, hit Generate. And just like that, we have our avatar. Look at how detailed and unique this is. You can generate as many variations as you want until you find the perfect one. Once you're satisfied, download the image. We're going to use this in the next step. Now that we have our avatar image, let's take it up a notch with Krea AI. Krea.ai is an amazing AI tool that specializes in enhancing and refining images. It's perfect for adding those final touches to make your avatar truly captivating. Head over to Krea AI and log in. If you're new, sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with options to enhancer. Here you can enhance your image and video also, so click on this enhancer. And here you can my previous enhanced images. Upload the avatar image we created in Leonardo AI. Alright, so here's where the magic happens. You can enhance your image with options like 1x, 2x, 4x, or even 8x. Now, for 4x and 8x, you'll need to upgrade to their paid plan, but the good news is 1x and 2x are totally free. So we're gonna go ahead and click on 2x. It's the sweet spot for free users. Once you've selected that, just hit Enhance, and the tool will start processing your image. Now, this might take a little bit of time, depending on the size and complexity of the image, so let's hang tight for a moment. Once it's done, we'll see how much sharper and polished our avatar looks. Wow, look at that. The details are even sharper, and the colors pop more. This is exactly what we need for our avatar. Once you're happy with the result, download the enhanced image. Now, we're ready for the final step. Alright, now comes the most exciting part, bringing our avatar to life. For this, we're going to use heygen. Heygen is a game-changing tool that lets you create AI-powered avatars that can speak, gesture, and even mimic your expressions. It's like having your own digital twin. First, go to heygen.com and log in. If you're new, sign up. It's free to get started. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with options to create video. Alright, let's get into the fun part, creating our AI avatar video. First, click on Create Video and then select Avatar Video. Once you're there, you'll see options for video orientation, portrait or landscape. Since I'm going for a standard video format, I'll click on Landscape. Now let's click on Create New Avatar. This is where we'll upload the image we created and enhanced earlier. Just hit the upload button and heygen will start analyzing the image. Once it's done, click Continue. Next up, we'll give our avatar some details. For example, I'll name my avatar Justin. For age, I'll select young adult. For gender, I'll choose man. And for ethnicity, I'll go with unspecified. Once all that's filled out, click Continue. Now we have the option to add a voice. I'll add one later, so I'll just click the same button to move forward. And just like that, our AI avatar is ready. Let's click on our new avatar Justin to start creating a video. To make a video, click on Script. We'll remove the default heygen script, so click on the three dots next to it and select Delete Script. Now, we can add our own script, record a voice, or upload a voice file. I prefer the upload option, and I'll use a voice generated from 11 Labs. So, I'll upload the 11 Labs voice file for my AI avatar. Once the voice is uploaded, click the Submit button. You'll be prompted to give your video a file name. Let's name it Justin AI Avatar. Now the video will start processing. This might take a few minutes, so let's hang tight. Alright, our video is ready. Let's download it and take a look at the preview.
Hello everyone, I'm your new AI avatar, ready to take your content to the next level.
How cool is that?
Hey there, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe AppInsight AI.
And one more for fun.
AI avatars are the future of content creation. Are you ready to embrace it?
I don't know about you, but I'm blown away by how realistic and engaging these avatars are. And the best part, you can create all of this for free. Now that you've created your AI avatar, let's talk about how you can use it effectively. AI avatars are perfect for content creation. Use them for YouTube videos, social media posts, or even online courses. They're a great way to stand out and keep your audience engaged. If you're a business, an AI avatar can be your brand ambassador. It's consistent, professional, and always on brand. Avatars can also make your content more accessible. For example, you can create videos in multiple languages without needing to hire translators. And don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, voices, and gestures. The more unique your avatar, the more memorable it'll be. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide on creating captivating AI avatars using Leonardo AI, Krea AI, and heygen. These tools are powerful, easy to use, and best of all, free to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and creative tips. And hey, if you create your own AI avatar, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and stay awesome.
Society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know